So the whole purpose of we starting a database systems academy, right? So we have been in the business of making database systems faster, scalable, reliable, fault tolerant and secured for some time. And we have customers across the globe from diversified domains, which include CDNs, ad tech companies, gaming companies, SaaS, and the social media infrastructure. The bigger challenges have been always about how to build the database infrastructure at a scale. So as the data gets bigger and bigger, we find more challenges in operating it. So when you're working on a heterogeneous database infrastructure, the first question is like, hey, why do we even worry about heterogeneous database systems, right? If you look at over the last 10 years, we have customers who are now not dependent on a single database system stack for their operations. Like if you look at 10 years back, there have been companies who've been heavy Oracle company, or it could be heavy MySQL shop, right? Today, we have seen a heterogeneous database infrastructure where we see that there are proprietary database systems, there are open source database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, there are key value pairs, there are document stores, there are column stores. So all these things put together will become a heterogeneous data fabric, right? So the whole game of getting this database systems academy is one, bring the functional knowledge of how to operate database infrastructure at scale. The second one is about building the lab, which actually creates a responsive infrastructure for you to get into our database systems academy lab, where you do the hands-on, and then this is somewhere where you can practice before going production, right? So here this is also about the tools and techniques, what we use at a production grade, right? And also we are getting the industry experts, right? Like from the data infrastructure operation engineering teams, right? Like where people come front and talk about like what are the tools they use, how do they use it, and what are the most complex problems they have solved, the guidance what they build for it, so that we don't repeat the same mistakes over and over and again, right? So this is at a very high level is what we are planning to launch. We'll have our own edtech platform. We'll also have our podcasting infrastructure. We have also our YouTube channel, which will be soon operational, right? Like, look forward to engaging with like each one of you. As you know that my email is ceo@minervadb.com or ceo@chistadata.com. Happy to talk to you if you are more curious about knowing about in detail of our forthcoming workshops and our podcast events, right? Happy to talk to you guys. Please write to me. Thank you.